Kim Geniac here from Kimmy Sews. Did some rain dyeing last night and I'm doing a washout, and this is one of my items that I did. I'm kind of impressed with it. I think you guys can see some of the different colors that are coming through. It's of course brighter on the inside. I decided to give that one a try. I have a whole bunch of different things. We had so much rain yesterday, so it was perfect for getting it done. And here I have a dress and a scarf. We'll see how that comes out. Just going to rinse this off quickly. Pull it up. Let's see. So here is a scarf. This one I did. Let's see. There was scarlet and orange and yellow and fuchsia, and it's gorgeous, and I'll add some pictures of course for the completed. And these ones are 100% rayon. They take the color wonderfully. The same scale as bamboo. Yeah. This will be also interesting to see. I'll have to get a little bit more rinsed out. But definitely thought it'll be pink. It's a really long dress. It's a three-layered skirt with the elastic at the back. Unfortunately, I have to take those ones all up because when they ripped out the thread for the gather, it also ripped the rayon. So that part sucks. Let's see. Here's part of it. And you just rinse the sink. Make sure my glove is clean. So this one is long johns, and I hope you can get a really good view of the colors, but it is bright green, lime squeeze, lemon, yellow, and new emerald blue, if I didn't say that one already. That one will be nice to see once it all washes up. Looks like some red got in it. Who knows? Just a little bit. I could just see the yellow and the green. I find that there are some greens that seem to have a funky color, but I can see them. There we go. Yeah, I'll wash these ones out better after. There we go. All kinds of shades of green and yellow. There we go. Some darker green down on the leg. Let's see. I have a few other pieces here. these ones are going to take a little bit longer to open up, but I will just do one with the little areas. You can see what they look like. It's almost like a shibori kind of style. Sometimes it shows up better once it's all done. There we go. Of course, it's like near impossible. So can I get it apart? Nope. I want to come apart. See, you can kind of see the little bursty kind of shade. And this one will be better. All right. There you go. A little bit better look there. Here's on the other side. It's going to be very close to the same. And then that's going to take a little while. This one is a big towel. Have to wet this one down a bit. This one has a lot of blues and some green. See how that worked. Some nice bright green there with blues. Oh, my back. As you can see, some of this is going to finish. I had on a nicer tie-dye shirt earlier. Of course, when you have a nice tie-dye shirt, you never use it. Wash it tie-dye. There you go. This is the Mermaid's Dream and a few other different ones, nice blues. So these will all be nice and cleaned up tomorrow the rest of the way. I'm going to let them sit in some hot water overnight, and it should all be good in the morning to wash out, and then I can share some pictures. So look for them on my Facebook page at facebook.com/KimmySews, and they should be there. I will also be posting them on my Kimmy Sews Google Plus brand page. So have a great day. Bye.